Welcome to the Real Estate Dashboard, your ultimate tool for tracking property transactions, commission earned, and broker performance with real-time data. In the home page, you have navigation buttons from where you can seamlessly navigate to property sold and rental insight pages. Here, you also have a comprehensive view of monthly commission trend, properties sold by type, commission by state, and sales status, helping you identify the most profitable periods and market trends for strategic decision-making. You can seamlessly switch insights between for sale and for rent, allowing you to filter key insights for each. Now, let's explore the Sold Property Dashboard, your key to tracking successful transactions and earnings. At the top, we have KPIs offering a clear snapshot of properties sold, earnings, and operational efficiency for quick snapshot of the real estate business. Analyze properties sold by month to gauge occupancy trends, analyze commission earned by top states and property types, and assess broker performance with detailed rankings and contributions. This page equips you with precise insights to optimize commissions, recognize top-performing brokers, and refine strategies for maximizing profitability. From the top, you can navigate to different pages of the dashboard, allowing seamless transitions. Additionally, you can access the hidden filter menu by clicking on the filter icon, allowing you to refine your analysis with precision. Filter by date, broker, property type, and more to focus on the insights that matter most. And if you ever want to start fresh, simply hit the reset button. Next up is the Rental Insights Dashboard, where you can explore detailed rental performance data, track properties rented by month, analyze commission earned by property state and a commission earned by property type, and assess broker performance with rankings, contributions, and commission earned. These insights help optimize rental strategies and enhance decision-making for sustained success. The Real Estate Dashboard provides powerful insights to help you optimize property management, maximize revenue, and enhance decision-making with real-time analytics. Ready to take your real estate insights to the next level? Visit our website to experience live interaction with our dashboard.